Mike says he's going to drop a tree right over there. This is the tree, and he's put a brace up because it naturally is going to want to go right to the road. So, we'll see. Where should I stand?
Over there.
Just trying to open up sunlight in the yard so we can actually garden a little bit more this year. I mean, it's already more...
You gotta cut the veg out first, you know.
Oh, yeah, okay. See what he's doing, for those of you all who don't know about taking down trees, he's cutting a wedge, and that tells the tree which direction to fall. Now he's got the wedge, now he can cut the base. Wow. That was a loud